Master the art of mindful eating. Mindful eating is about paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. It involves noticing the colors, smell, textures, flavors, temperatures, and even the sound. Mindful eating also means being aware of mind's response to food, recognizing hunger and fullness cues, and understanding why we eat. This method promotes better digestion because eating slowly and chewing thoroughly improves digestion and reduces bloating. Increases satisfaction. When we savor our food, we tend to feel more satisfied and may even eat less. Helps to make healthier choices. Mindfulness can help us make better food choices by tuning into what our bodies truly need. Helps in weight management. By recognizing true hunger and fullness signals, mindful eating can aid in weight management. And to reduce stress, eating mindfully can be a form of meditation, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. Practice mindful eating with these few tips. Savor each bite. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. Try to experience your food with all your senses. Avoid distractions. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and focus solely on your meal. Create a calm and pleasant eating environment. Listen to your body. Tune into your hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you are hungry and stop when you are comfortably full. Engage your senses. Notice the colors, smells, and textures of your food. This can enhance the enjoyment and satisfaction of eating. Reflect on your food. Consider where your food comes from and the effort involved in growing, transporting, and preparing it. This can foster gratitude and a deeper connection to your meals. Try these tips and enjoy a healthy life. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe Food on Track.